Yo guys, welcome back to Cryptoria. Today I'm going to be covering Ultra, but before I do, I'll appreciate if you like, subscribe and turn on bell notifications so you know when I upload. And with that being said, let's get into this video. So what is Ultra? Ultra's mission is to build a first-class PC game publishing platform and ecosystem that puts an end to the current distribution monopoly by providing new opportunities to game developers, players and influencers. The problem we face is that Steam, Apple and Google have created convenient ways for users to find and install software by means of important advances in digital content delivery, commonly expressed to end users as app stores. The success of these platforms over the past 10 years has meant that users have grown to expect and demand their kind of ease of use and seamless purchasing experience that these platforms provide. However, this success has also produced a number of challenges for the industry. These include monopoly, which means that the developers are increasingly having a hard time selling their software outside of these walled gardens, which results in large commission fees and loss of control over their own customers, delivery failure and missed opportunities. So the solution that Ultra will be providing is to build a first-class PC game publishing platform and marketplace that puts an end to the current distribution monopoly. Specifically, Ultra will be more fair to developers, provide effective marketing tools, introduce new revenue streams, establish a rich token-based economy, be backed by industry leaders. So what does it provide for the solution for players will be they'll be able to play immediately, earn money, open platform, get exclusive games, be part of a community, resell your games and bring your friends. In terms of solutions for developers, they'll be able to have marketing toolbox, earn more, grow their community, build better games, get porting made easy, get paid faster and new revenue streams. So guys, that's just a gist of what it is. Just make sure you go ahead and deep down into the white paper as well. It does give you more of an insight of what it is. So guys, I have jumped onto Coinbase. As you guys can see, they're doing pretty well in the top 200, currently 187. I will be going over the website today. As you guys can see, they're on the Ethereum blockchain. Current price at the moment is just underneath that 50-cent mark. It is down 2.38% of last 24 hours. Current market cap is pretty low as well at the moment, so it's a pretty good gem to get into. It is just underneath that 140 million. Circulated volume is just underneath that 900,000. Going over the chart briefly, as you guys can see, it was circulating underneath that 20 cent for quite some time until it did surge towards that dollar area. It didn't actually hit that dollar yet, but as you guys can see, it did nearly touch into that 80-cent mark, and it has dropped since then towards that 50-cent level. In terms of where you guys can buy it, best place being a KuCoin and Uniswap, but there is other exchange that is listed as well. But I do see this jumping onto Binance fairly soon as well, guys. So guys, I will be jumping onto the website now. So guys, I have just jumped over onto the Ultra's website just to give you a quick run through of it. So as you guys can see, Ultra, a new era for gamers. Ultra is the first entertainment platform providing a variety of games industry services under a single roof, accessible through a single login, discovery, buy and play games, watch live streaming, feeds, interact with your favorite influencers, participate in contests, compete in tournaments and much more. So as you guys can see, this is how the platform looks. It looks pretty good. It looks very futuristic and very new as well. So it will actually grab a lot of people's attention. So guys, go ahead and check out the early access as well, and check out this video as well. In terms of going down, as you guys can see, embrace blockchain technology, a new world of possibilities, sharing ecosystem, discover and interact. So Ultra transforms game distribution by leveling the playing field for developers, players, streamers and everyone in the ecosystem. So it hits pretty much every single target audience. So guys, I will be jumping onto developer section now. So guys, I have just jumped onto developer section as this is probably the main thing that Ultra has to offer. So as you guys can see, developers deserve better. You get a bigger slice of the pie, better tools and engaged user base. As you guys can see, Ultra 12% distribution, 50% distribution fee and minus 3% referral bonus. So it is a pretty good thing in terms of what they're trying to do. Be the first person to discover Ultra. So go ahead and check that out. So why you will like Ultra? Better discoverability for your game, reduce development time and costs, take advantage of the secondary market. So you guys can see what these guys are trying to do in terms of helping developers and people who want to actually play the game. So go ahead and check this out as well, guys. I will be jumping on some upcoming news. So guys, I've just pulled up this article that was actually posted a couple of weeks ago. So as you guys can see, Ultra mainnet is now live. So this is huge news in terms of what these guys are up to. They are really trying to push this project forward. So it is on the mainnet now, as you guys can see, a major step up for 2021 launch of the Ultra platform. Just going down to what it is at the moment, as you guys can see, Ultra's blockchain use case gaming, true ownership of digital gaming assets, a non-custodial and fully decentralized marketplace, quick, seamless and secure payments in fiat and crypto, a gaming multiverse for NFTs. So guys, go ahead and check this out as well. It's huge news that the mainnet is now live. It's not in the testnet anymore. So guys, I will be jumping onto chart analysis now. So guys, whatever's been waiting for, the price analysis. So you can see on the tabs actually at the moment, I do actually have 3 analysis that I want to show you guys. So this one being the long term. So as you guys can see, I am on the Ultra 1 month time frame. So clearly I have indicated this Fibonacci. So to be honest, this Fibonacci has actually been playing out quite well. So as you guys can see from the bottom to the top, has been respecting the 78.6 level quite good, has created that level of support as well, and it has been bullish ever since. So hopefully what I see now is the next month being another bullish candle, testing his level of resistances around that 60-cent mark. And then what I do, people might actually sell off there as well, just because a lot of people probably bought it here thinking, looking to the left, that it will go past that little level of 70 cent and hopefully going towards that dollar. So that's why I expect a little bit of sell off here around that 55 cent mark, creating that level of support and going back up towards those highs around that 70 cent mark and going beyond, aiming towards that dollar, breaking that another zero. So hopefully that is what is going to happen in terms of long term. As you guys can see, has been playing out this fib quite well, has respected that, gained that support, rejecting this level of resistance over here as well towards the left, create the level of support and going back up. And these last couple of months has been very bullish as well, trying to, you know, regain back onto this bullish bearish candle here. So guys, that is my long-term analysis. In terms of my short-term, I got 2 short-term analysis I want to show you guys. So going back to what I did mention yesterday in my video in terms of the channels, so as you guys can see, it is an upward channel now. So what I do see happening is either a little bit of a retest back up here, going back down, and what it might do is actually break towards this, retest that level and go back down towards those levels around that 20 cent. But I don't ever see it happening again, especially it did happen last month actually. But if it does happen. I just want to give you guys an open and, you know, clear indication of what might happen. I don't want to say it's going to be bullish all the time when it might not be. So I do want to give you 2 scenarios. So it's either going to be long term, as in going up, or going down. So guys, that is what I see. Either it will break this level, going back down towards that level of 20 cent mark, but I don't ever see that happening. But if it does happen. Or what I'll do, it will respect that level, create that level of supports again, going back up towards those 75 cent levels. So guys, that is another analysis as well. That is on the daily. Going down to the 4-hour chart, as you guys can see, it has been ranging for a couple of weeks now. It has been ranging a lot between that 38 cent level and that 55 cent level. It has been ranging quite a lot, and it's quite annoying because if it does range, expect a massive sell-off after this range or a massive huge buy opportunity from here. So guys, that is what I see. As you guys can see, there is a little bit of a minor range between the major ranges as well. So it is good to highlight these things as well, just so you can pick it out. So this little minor range, as you guys can see, it has been ranging between that 45 cent level to that 50 cent level. If it does break one of these, I do see a little bit of a further drop to around that 40 cent to 38 cent. If it breaks above, I see it goes towards that 55 cent level. So guys, that is my 2 analysis. That is just to give you an indication of the different ways to look at these charts as well. Don't just be always thinking it's going to go bullish all the time. There will be opportunities to sell off as well. So guys, that is my 3 analysis in terms of what I think I see in this project. So guys, let me know what you guys think as well. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe and turn on bell notification for all future videos. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video.